everyone, welcome to Meri Rasoi. As we all know that Raksha Bandhan is coming, so I decided let's make something very yummy and easy for our brothers. So it's a very known Indian dessert that is known as Kalakan. So let's make it. So let's go. So we have taken a pan. In that I have taken 1 liter of Amul Taza milk. So once it starts boiling, we'll add lemon juice. I have taken half lemon so that we get our cracked paneer out of it. You can keep it on medium-low flame. I'm adding half more. So as you can see, we are getting our paneer out of it. The water has get separated. So now we'll strain it. So now we are straining it. The water that we have get out of this paneer, it's very healthy. You can use when you're kneading a dough, you can use in curries, you can use when you're making your dal. So this water is really useful. You should not throw it, you should use it. Once we got our paneer, we'll take a pan and we'll add half a liter of fresh milk in it. I will again use Amul Taza for that. So we have to boil it till it becomes half. So now once we got our paneer, cracked paneer, so we'll again take a pan and we'll add fresh half liter of milk. I have again taken Amul Taza. And we'll bring it to boil, and we'll boil till it becomes half. So if you are boiling it on a high flame, you have to stir it continuously, otherwise your milk will burn. I'm making Kalakan because it's my brother's favorite dish, and it's very light and very yummy dish, I suppose. So now as you can see, the milk has started boiling very nicely and it has started leaving the sides, and even the quantity has reduced. So we'll add our grated paneer that we made up from the milk. At this time, keep the flame very low. So now we'll mix this paneer with our milk. Again, you have to stir it continuously. Here you can keep your flame medium, but don't keep it high. Low to medium is okay. And for this dessert, you need very few ingredients, and these are really very easily available at our home. So you don't have to go specially to the market and buy things for this. It just needs milk, sugar, and elaichi powder. That's it. This paneer you are making homemade, so you need very few things, and you can make a nice homemade dessert. So now, as we can see that milk and paneer has mixed properly, so we'll add our sugar. So I have taken 5 teaspoons. This is my teaspoon. 5 teaspoon I have taken. So we'll add 5 teaspoons of sugar. So this is the teaspoon that I have taken. Now again we'll mix it. So now you can see everything is mixed properly. Our milk, our grated paneer, and even the sugar. So you can see such a nice texture is there. And it has started leaving side. That means that it's completely cooked now. So we'll switch off the gas, and I've taken this mold. This is a bread loaf mold, you can say, and I've put some aluminium foil in it. So we'll transfer our mixture into it. It has to be liquid, little liquid, otherwise it becomes dry. So keep it little liquid. Now you can add some sprinkle, you can sprinkle some elaichi powder on it, on the top of it. You can even add dry fruits if you like. Now just keep proper tap. Now we'll keep it in a fridge for almost 20 to 25 minutes. Now we can see that this has been set properly, so we'll just unmold it. And you can even use it as a cake, because there are many people, those who doesn't like outside cake or something like that. So this is the best homemade version of cake. So let's unmold it. So our kalakand is ready. So enjoy. Do let me know that how did you like this recipe, and do try at your home. I am sure that your brother and your family would really love this recipe, because we know and in the present situation, because of COVID, we are not able to purchase things from outside. So better be a homemade chef and make something homemade. So do try and let me know, and follow me on my Instagram page @MaryRasoi and on my FB page Hazel's Kitchen. Be safe, stay at home, and happy Raksha Bandhan in advance. Bye.